Chris, a point apiece. Do you think you deserve more?
I don't think so. I think 2-2 is probably a fair reflection of the game. Two committed sides. Lots of tackles, lots of box entries from them in terms of long throws and corners, which, to be fair, they're very good at. And in previous encounters against them, we've really struggled with that. But today I thought the boys at the back, they stood up and were counted and got more first contacts than they've ever had before. So really pleasing from that aspect.
Lee, 2-2, a point apiece, a fair result?
I think it was a fair result, yeah. I think no teams didn't really create anything. I think the game plans of both teams were trying to turn the both back threes over. We had the right chance right at the end with Darren, where unfortunately he's made the wrong decision and he could have slipped Jake in and we go away with 3 points. But I've just said to the players, we can't always have it on the 3G pitch, and sometimes you've got to roll your sleeves up and a point away at Britain Ferry, and many teams have struggled to come down here and pick points up against them because the way they play, they're very direct, they're good at what they do, and I thought we contained them for quite a large spell of times. We didn't play particularly good football because the game didn't allow it, but I also thought we matched what they were good at, which was pleasing for me to see a team that are predominantly a footballing team to come down, roll their sleeves up, win the first contacts, second contacts, turn the ball in behind, and try and win a game in terms of with desire and sort of that passion. So
Alex Gammon, Britain Ferry captain, today's Sgorio player of the match, an all-important point again for the Ferry.
Yeah, much needed point. It's 2 undefeated now, so it's about building blocks, and I think we're starting to do that, especially home. Didn't start the season great here, so look, it's a point, we move on from it. Today's done now. We got a nice one against TNS next.